I've always wanted one of these. It's big, it's black, it's made of glass. You put your mouse on it, and your mouse will thank you later. I've never tried one, so we're gonna open it up, take a look, play a game or two. Flash Beyond, thank you for sending me this. You guys are absolute legends. I really appreciate it. It's too big for the hand cam, so I'm just gonna like... I don't know if there's a graceful way of opening this or not. Oh! That's fancy. I like that. I was not expecting that at all. They got technology in the box. Ooh. Big boy. I think we could, it might not be too big for the hand cam. All right, let's get rid of this dusty old, ew, disgusting, fingerprint, just nasty, skin cell covered SteelSeries mouse pad. Get it out of my face. I don't want it. Bring me that high quality gamer mouse pad. You guys aren't gamers unless you have a glass mouse pad. See, this right here, I'm afraid, ladies and gentlemen, is the epitome of esports. This is the top of the line, the in-game when it comes to mouse pads. It's very reminiscent of the Ray-Ban font. I like it. We have this, yes. What else does it come with? It comes with a cleaning cloth. I'm assuming this is a lint-free cloth. Yeah. Lint-free cloth. Oh, wait. Arm sleeve? Do you have to wear an arm sleeve to use a glass mouse pad? I was just thinking about that earlier. I was like, do I need to wear it? I have one. Polishing cloth. Oh my gosh, I messed up the box. Okay. Ooh. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh yeah, that'll work. It like grips it nice, you know? PTFE mousepad skates. Ooh, okay, so they give you the skates to put on your mouse. Good job, Flash Beyond, man. Dude, I've always wanted a glass mouse pad. Huge, major W, big PP, huge PP. I don't know how it goes. I'm gonna assume sideways, or maybe it should go this way since the label is this way, you know? Does that seem right? I don't need that much up and down. I need more side to side. It's like glittery, like black, and it's got like glitter in it. I mean, I'm assuming it's tempered glass, right? So it's probably very strong. We got some rubber backing on here. Make sure that it's definitely very nice. It's not going anywhere. Ooh. Oh, I can already see why this is good. Okay, hold up. I'm not even capping, bro. You think I'm capping because I'm a tech reviewer, but I'm not. That shit is real. Oh, yeah, buddy. Okay, let me put this arm sleeve on. Hold on. Dude, I'm about to be skating all over these fools. Here's the problem, okay? I'll explain to you guys the problem that I have. My hand is very big. No matter what mouse I find, it's too big. So when I am gaming, this is all touching the mouse pad because my hands are big. My finger is almost the length of the entire mouse. And then this just drags. So whenever I get an arm sleeve, I typically have to get one that goes through the thumb hole, which I think I have one somewhere. But I can feel that it's going to kind of drag. So I just kind of have to I have to like lift my hand up from it, which I guess is not that hard. But that's just not usually how I play. So also this is going to be weird because normally my mouse pad is not the focus of the video. Normally it's the keyboard. So a glass mouse pad, dude, that's wild. You know, this is actually great. Wait, okay, perfect thing to complain about. Do you see this crack in my desk right here? This is a legitimate thing that I can feel when I drag my mouse over a mouse pad, like the mouse pad that I have. There's a legitimate problem where when you drag across that line, it messes up your aim, and it's right where my arm goes. This is right where I swipe, right here. This takes away the crack. I never considered that. I always just kind of thought it was a problem that I was going to have to deal with forever. This kind of took me by surprise, so I don't have to deal with that anymore. All right, so I pulled up a little bit of info about the product just to kind of give you guys some scientific specifications. So it's a smooth glass surface for precision control. The micro-etched glass surface on the mouse pad ensures smooth and precise tracking, optimized for optical mice. CNC milled rounded edges provide durability and a sleek finish, making the ideal gaming mouse pad for high-speed gameplay. It's got an anti-slip base, dirt and scratch resistant, compact design with quiet swipes, and a complete gaming kit. It comes with a premium mouse, skates, comfortable arm sleeve, and a cleaning cloth.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Domination.
Come on, dude. Come on, bro. Not my SMG, dude. I'm gone. That felt pretty smooth, I'd say. Can't do that on a cloth pad, can you, mate?
Losing B. Double kill.
Y'all literally suck. Come on. Go capture something.
Secure.
Why is it just me, bro? Nobody plays the objective around here.
B secure.
Shit on. Shit on. Shit on.
B lost. Lost the lead. Losing A. C secure. A lost. Tied the lead.
Good trade. We're literally tied right now. Can't see it because the mouse pad's covering it, but...
Kingslayer. Double kill. B lost.
We're literally tied.
Kingslayer.
Shit on.
B lost.
Oh, come on. Come on, mate. This is such a close game. Capture B. Capture it.
B secure.
Oh, yeah.
Losing C.
Like, my up and down aim is just so much better.
C lost.
Just beat him up. Just beat him up. We're gonna win.
A secure.
It's a big GG.
Losing B. Kingslayer.
Ooh, SMG.
Lost.
Give me that. I'm about to cook, fam. I'm about to cook, fam.
Losing A. C secure. A lost.
Oh my god, please let me cook this guy. Yes! Oh my god, no, we're gonna lose. No, we're losing. Oh, we lost.
The lead
Where's A and
secure.
C? They're not doing anything.
Lost. A secure. Double kill.
Come on! We have two.
The leader. Gain the lead.
You think you're gonna kill my friend and I'm gonna let you get away with it? I didn't think so, mate.
Losing B.
You think you're gonna capture here?
B lost.
Oh, wait.
Losing A.
Please.
Secure.
We won! Oh my god! Yes! Woo! Thanks, Flash Beyond. It's all thanks to your buttery smooth aiming. Oh, and I'm the last death. Oh. 34 kills, though? Yeah, I'm a problem with this mouse pad. I'm actually using this. You'd think I'm not, but I'm gonna. I mean, I'll let you guys know if it breaks, but I love it. This thing's so nice. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, you guys enjoyed the mouse pad, make sure to click the link in the description if you like to grab one for yourself. It's a modest price of $48.99 on Amazon, so I'll leave a link for it in the description, and definitely check it out. Highly recommend, and make sure to smash like if you like the video. It really helps out a lot. All my other tech reviews, I put it in one list. All you have to do is click this, and you have hours of fun and entertainment. Hope you enjoy. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.